Our corrections department, I want to thank Mary Lou and her men and women for a great job and continuing to help us through this budget process. We are providing $67 million in general fund spending this year for the corrections department. This will include an additional 20 new correctional officers for that department. In addition, we will provide in the capital program $29 million for capital improvement. So we want to thank them for the good work that they're doing. And I don't know if the sheriff is here, but I see the sheriff is not. Even though he's not here, can we give the sheriff a round of applause? The county could not make the progress in public safety without partners who've put their egos aside, came in and sat down with us, and have been real partners to move this county forward. The sheriff is elected countywide like I am, but we all come together to move this county forward. That is why we're putting $32 million in funding in the sheriff's department so that we can maintain adequate security at our courts, which is important, and so they can continue the fine work they're doing in serving our warrants in a safe and timely and efficient manner, which has reduced the backlog they had when the sheriff came in. So I want to thank him for the hard work that he's doing. Our state's attorney's office. Our state's attorney, once again, is another partner who is elected countywide like I am, but came in and really just helped out. And I want to thank Angela for the work that she's doing. And I hope that we have sent a signal that we appreciate that work. We have increased the state's attorney's budget by 2.4% by investing $14 million in general fund spending. This funding will provide the office with 2 new investigators, along with additional funding to support their gun and drug unit. But creating a great county also includes creating a clean and sustainable environment. And over the next 2 decades, the county will invest approximately $1 billion in improving water quality in our communities. The budget includes $157 million for various stormwater management, solid waste, and water quality activities. It also includes for the first step in implementation of the mandated water quality through the creation of the Water Quality Management Fund. This new enterprise fund, with an estimated $8 million, will be included in the budget. The capital program also contains $263 million in funding to begin the watershed implementation plan. One of the things that is near and dear to this administration is quality health care and effective human services. Building healthy communities has always been a priority of this administration. That is why the budget contains funding for various health, human service activities, programs, and projects that will advance the health and wellness of our community in Prince George's County. We will invest $15 million in county operating funds and $10 million in state funds for the Dimensions healthcare system as part of the transformation of that system. We have included $208 million in the capital program for the new regional medical center, as we like to call it, RMC. This will be a state-of-the-art facility and a major part of a strategy to transform the county's healthcare system and make us a leader in the Washington region and the state. The Prince George's Health Department will also improve health care through programs in the health department that are dedicated toward chronic disease prevention and treatment. The new Health Enterprise Zone grant will provide funding to expand and recruit primary resources with the goal of establishing 5 centered medical homes that will serve a minimum of 10,000 residents. Our Prince George's Department of Family Services. The Department of Family Services will continue to support the Family Crisis Center, which includes funding for a new domestic violence intervention program. The Prince George's Department of Housing and Community Development, or DHCD. The Department of Housing and Community Development will be able to provide an additional assistance to distressed homeowners as a result of a $4 million grant. Our Department of Social Services. The capital program contains $31 million to expand the number of homeless facilities in Prince George's County from one facility to 3. High-performance government operations. For the last few years, you've heard us talk about this. We have been working to create a high-performance government, a government that focuses on effective service delivery. I believe that improving service delivery system will help strengthen our communities and this county. That is why, in 2012, we launched the Transforming Neighborhoods Initiative, or T&I as we call it, which embodies all 7 major priorities and demonstrates our commitment to a high-performing government. T&I addresses the needs of the communities that face significant economic, health, public safety, and educational challenges by targeting resources across multiple agencies while providing wraparound services to these communities. Additionally, the program allows the county to foster and strengthen our partnership with the nonprofit, faith-based, and private sector communities. The 6 T&I areas of the county are East Riverdale, Bladensburg, Glass Manor, Oxon Hill, Hillcrest Heights, Marlow Heights, Kentland, Palmer Park, Langley Park, Suitland, Coral Hills. In FY2014, the proposed budget dedicates $16 million to this program. Included in the program is $8 million in funding that will support the programs such as truancy prevention, social services, after-school and summer bridge programs for students progressing to the middle school and high school levels. We will also include $4.5 million in the capital program for the acquisition and demolition of dilapidated properties throughout these communities so that we can go in and bulldoze some of these things that shouldn't be there. Additionally, we have $3.5 million in program in the proposed capital budget for the county's revitalization and restoration program. Our enterprise resource planning system. The budget also includes an investment to improve efficiencies and enhance data collection. We are a data-driven government, thanks to our CAO, Brad Seaman. This is one of the programs that he likes. We are investing $42 million in the purchase and implementation of the Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERP. This system will integrate data from all core management systems, will enhance our ability to make data-driven decisions, and deliver results through analysis, accountability, and innovation. Ethics and accountability. A high-performing government also needs an accountability system. So this budget also provides $350,000 in funding to fully staff our new Office of Ethics and Accountability. I know you've been waiting for it. County employees. We are investing in our county employees. As we looked at our employees and the compensation, we made a commitment to investing in the people who make this government work. So we are providing compensation increases for eligible employees. And the budget includes a contingency reserve of $19 million for potential union agreement. The Prince George's fiscal management policies that we operate under. It is very important that we continue to implement the county's sound fiscal management policies and strategies as we develop this budget. As a result, we restructured the government through a thorough strategic review of the county's workforce. That is why this budget includes the implementation of a voluntary retirement incentive program and a programmatic reduction in force that will create ongoing savings and efficiencies and improve efficiencies in our government. Although the budget will include a 5-day furlough program, the average employee will experience an increase in pay during the year. And last, but certainly not least, the budget maintains our 7% fund balance reserve. This will enable the county to continue to keep its AAA bond rating. So as you can see, we have made some tough decisions. We had to think differently and focus on efficiency and service delivery. Despite some of the challenges of the current economy, we were still able to focus our budget on priorities, make critical investments that will help the county to grow our economy, improve our schools, provide safe neighborhoods, maintain high-quality health and human service levels, and protect and beautify our environment. We are starting to turn the corner. Our incomes are up, our housing market is beginning to stabilize, and there's more interest than ever in Prince George's County. This isn't happening by accident. It is happening because we are thinking differently, we are thinking anew. We know that this is a great county, and we can see some of the things just around the corner. Things like the opening of the Tanger Outlet Mall in the southern part of our county, a new high-end destination resort, hotel, and casino, a new Maryland Department of Housing and Community Development, a new regional medical center, and hopefully in the not-too-distant future, we will be able to announce the relocation of the FBI to Prince George's County. I am confident that the investments in the priorities that I've outlined in this budget will provide more opportunities for Prince George's County, that the 7 priorities that guide us as we develop this budget will help Prince George's County be a great place to live, invest, work, and visit. Thank you, and have a great day.